free. This is a Buford set. This one, the last sticker is 1997. So, I don't even, you can't even read the instructions, it's so old, but we know there's two things on these. A, you're supposed to shackle the string to the boat so that if it goes over the side, you don't lose the whole raft. And then there's a weak link in there, so when the boat sinks away, it doesn't drag you and the raft underwater.
There's a hydrostatic release generally on it, right?
Like that. There's only one attachment point on this raft, so I made the intuitive decision, like, let's pull there.
Oh, there it is.
Okay.
We're talking again.
So that should be in the water when you pull it?
Yes, yes, you should have it away from the boat.
Kind of like a balloon.
Not done. Volunteers to get inside and see if they fit.
Get in there.
Go in there and zoom in.
We can take more, honestly. We may have to resort to cannibalism to survive, so.
All right, get some pictures.
Yes, I catch it.
Oh.
Paddle. These are nice.
First aid kit?
Okay.
Here, this is you.
It is.
It might just be installed backwards in there.
It's inside the
I bet you can still eat that stuff.
But the buttons.
What year is that?
It's like a protein bar.
Oh shit.
Maybe, yeah. It has been 26
I want to
years.
try it.
I would say it's good. You gotta put, is this like a big dude? Graham crackers in with
Power bar.
It's like a
Bad one.
It's older than I.
powder and a little bit of. That would be about.
Oh, that ain't bad at all, man.